Hello! Today, we thought we would do some more science.
We love science.
And I thought it might be nice to explore what happens when we mix bicarbonate of soda.
Bicarbonate of soda.
I know, it is a long word. Well, we use it to, what do you think we use it for? If you can have a look at the packet. What do you think we use it for? It's got some pancakes on it.
I think we use it mainly for cooking.
You're right, I think we do normally use it for cooking, but we're going to use it for exploring what happens when we mix it with something else.
What's that?
It's in a bottle and it's got food on it as well. But I don't think we drink this. It's called vinegar. Do you want to have a smell?
Yes, please. Oh, that's a strong smell. Woohoo!
We use this, sometimes we do put it on salad to make it taste nice, but this has a special reaction. It mixes and does something very interesting with bicarbonate of soda.
Wow, I wonder what's going to happen.
Well, let's see. I've also got some other ingredients that maybe we can take away or add later. But I've got some washing up liquid. And I've just got some normal water. I think, I've also have, what colour would you like, Johnny?
I think we should have red.
Red. Let me see if I can find red. I've got red food colouring. I'm going to mix some of this up. Or would you like to mix some of this up?
Yes, please.
Which would you like to put in first?
Let's think. I want to put in the vinegar first.
Okay. You can put in the vinegar first.
I wonder how much.
You can ask a good question there, Johnny, because I've actually got a measuring cup.
It's got numbers on it.
It does. And the experiment actually needs 200
millilitres of vinegar.
200.
I don't think that's going to fit in there.
No, it's not going to. So shall we put in, we're going to have the most of this. So why don't you put in 50? 50.
That's 50.
That's 50. I'm going to pour that in.
50 millilitres. That's filled the glass up halfway.
It has. It's filled up halfway. We're not going to fill it to the top with the next ingredient. Can you put a little bit of water up to my finger?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Now this is going to be the fun bit. Would you like to put a drop
Thanks, Dave.
of the red food colouring?
A drop.
Ooh! It's mixing. Is there anything else we notice?
It's mixing a bit,
Yeah,
but most of it has sunk to the bottom.
it has. Oh, how odd. And we're going to put, just because it's over here, I'm going to put a little bit of,
Look at that.
washing up liquid.
That's helped it mix a bit.
It has. Would you like to mix it all together?
I'm going to give it a stir.
Give it a stir. Oh, you can really smell the vinegar.
Can.
Now, should we add the magic ingredient?
Wonder what's going to happen. It's so exciting.
I think we could tip it into this small dish. There you go, Johnny.
All up to the top?
Yeah, why not? And I'm going to move all of this. While Johnny's doing that, I'm going to move all of this off of our tray. Because I'm
Nearly all the way up to the top.
very excited to see what happens.
You going to do it, Dave?
No, you can do it, Johnny.
So I'm going to add the bicarbonate of soda to the vinegar solution. How exciting.
Should we count you down?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! What's happened? That's interesting. I've noticed some of the powder is still dry, but a lot. Oh, it's changed colour. I don't see red really anymore.
It's still doing something. It's all bubbling out.
Oh!
I can
Wow!
see some bubbles.
It's still going. Shall we do this again, but try it in a different way?
Okay.
I think we're going to add the solution, the vinegar solution, to the bicarb.
We'll do it the other way round.
Do it the other way round. Now, so this time we're going to use a bigger glass, but the same ingredients. But the change is we're going to have the bicarbonate of soda in the glass, and we will put the rest of the vinegar and all the other ingredients in a cup.
Okay.
Yes. So, we'll use this cup. So, would you like to put, 50...
So I'll start with the vinegar again.
Start with the vinegar again.
So I'll do 100 millimetre.
Oh yes, let's double it.
So I've got 100 this time.
So we're going to have twice as much. And then you can put a little bit of water. Oh, we can probably do it. And would you like a different colour, or do you want to keep with red? We didn't really see much colour before.
What other colours have we got?
I have a green.
Oh, let's do green.
A green. There we go. It's green. Wow. And yes, we needed a tiny bit of washing up liquid. Just the same colour, isn't it? And then, do you want to give it a little stir?
Yes.
Now, while you're doing that, I'm going to add the same amount of bicarbonate of soda. Now, I said bicarb last time. That's how we say it, quicker.
Bicarb.
But it's bicarbonate of soda. And did you do all the way to the top?
Almost to the top.
Almost to the top. Would you say that's the same?
Yes.
That's the same. Fantastic. I'm going to put this in the glass.
So this time we're going to do it the other way round.
We're going to do it the other way round, but before you do it, we're going to try it in slow motion.
Ooh, slow motion.
Shall I count you down again?
Yes, please.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
you think it's made more bubbles?
I can still see lots of bicarbonate at the bottom.
Oh. I wonder how we could move that. Oh. Oh, bubble gum. I wonder what it reminds you of.
Do you know it's still mixing at the bottom? Every time it mixes a bit more, it starts to bubble up.
Oh. Look. Oh, yes. That's a reaction. That is when two chemicals are mixed together.
I can see lots of bubbles. I wonder what would happen if I stirred it with the spoon.
Shall we find out? Oh.
That's interesting.
I thought it would make more bubbles.
Yes, so did I. I wonder why it isn't making more bubbles.
I don't know.
Maybe,
Go on.
maybe it needs more of something.
More.
Vinegar?
Shall we do it again? The first experiment we did, we added the bicarbonate of soda to your vinegar solution. The second one, we used more of everything and a bigger glass, but we put the bicarbonate of soda in first, then the vinegar. But I think we can make a bigger reaction if we don't use water.
Oh, no water this
No
time.
water. And I think you could keep adding vinegar and see
Ooh,
what
that'll be
happens.
fun. It will be like a volcano.
And let's put in the bicarbonate of soda first. But with some food colouring.
Yellow.
Yellow. And the washing up liquid.
Okay.
Let's see if you could give that a little stir. I don't know if you can. Oh.
I'm mixing it up into a paste. I wonder what's going to happen when we add the vinegar.
Now this time, Johnny, I'm just going to give you the bottle of vinegar.
Wow!
There we go.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
A little bit to start with. Maybe a bit more.
Want to add some more? It's definitely making a lot of bubbles. More?
More.
Oh wow.
It's changed colour. It's gone green.
I promise it was yellow.
More.
Oh wow. Do you think it would still make More bubbles? Did you add any more? Oh, wow.
It really does look like a volcano.
Ah, like a volcano. Still going.
Still going.
Surely not more. Wow.
I think we've discovered that this experiment needs lots and lots of vinegar.
Ah. Don't think it needed any water.
No.
Either.
Still going.
It's still going. I still don't know if it's better to add the bicarbonate of soda first or last, because they both ways made lots of bubbles.
Yes, I'm not sure. We'd have to do another experiment.
Yes. I think we can do that next time.
I'm having fun here.
Ooh, it's still going.
It's still bubbling.
It's still mixed. Your paste is still mixed at the bottom.
Yes, it is. I suppose if I try and mix it with the spoon, still.
What does that feel like?
And then put some more vinegar in. Still going.
Still going? Is it slowing down though? I don't know.
I don't know if it is.
No. And it's much more yellow now. How long do you think it would keep going?
Maybe until all the bicarbonate of soda has been used up by the vinegar to make the bubbles.
Till it disappears.
We'd have to time it, wouldn't we?
We would have to time it. I didn't start my timer. Next time. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.